BLACKPINK in PUBG Mobile. Ready for Love MV. I mean, I knew about it, but I didn't know there was gonna be an MV. Yo, I've been out of it, bro. I've been dealing with my life and etc, adulting, etc. But BLACKPINK is back. A music video with PUBG Mobile, which is not the first time an artist has done this, but still, BLACKPINK. That's crazy. Now, my Discord has been keeping me up to date with what's happening in K-pop. Thank y'all. Shout out to the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, link in the description. But let's check out BLACKPINK x PUBG Mobile, Ready for Love MV. And I'm guessing it's gonna be like in PUBG fashion? I don't know actually. I know they had a virtual concert, by the way. Anyways, let's get into this, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. What is gonna happen? What is gonna happen? Oh, they are like animated, okay. That's interesting, that's interesting. I know, girl. Oh, okay. Let's go, Jisoo. Hey, Lisa. Okay, they're all animated, that's fire. I wonder how much work they put into this, too. Ooh. Oh, that's fuego. That's fuego. Release you in my world. Open your eyes. Here I am in front of you. Oh, damn. She already ready. We ready for love. I'm ready for another BLACKPINK comeback, yo. I just want more. I've been waiting. Ooh, okay, she running. Ooh, okay. Gonna find you, I guess. Best come find me. Show me the color of your heart. Such an interesting drop though too. Like, oh, if you hear dogs in the background, my bad. Ooh. Is this actual areas in the game itself? The jump. Oh, this is so interesting. Just seeing them animated. I wish I saw the real, you know. Ooh. What's gonna happen? I didn't know. I was like, wait, some movie-ish, yo. You know how I feel about this song? This basically is prepping me up for more BLACKPINK that's out to come supposedly in August, if I'm not mistaken. YG, is it? Special track. So it's a special track with PUBG Mobile, which, I mean, I've tried PUBG Mobile. It's not for me, but it might be for you. BLACKPINK coming out with a new track. All I gotta say, I just want more. This is literally prepping me to say, where's the next comeback? When is the comeback, yo? Put a comment down below what you guys think of BLACKPINK Ready for Love PUBG. And do you play PUBG Mobile? I know some friends that actually do play PUBG Mobile. I mean, I tried it for a few, like, I feel like in 2019 I did try it. Or 2020 as well, during the pandemic. But maybe I might have to get back into it. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy, JRE. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.